The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome represents a remarkable leap forward in the world of luxury recreational vehicles, combining cutting-edge automotive technology with the opulence and comfort of a high-end home. From the moment you approach this sleek, imposing vehicle, it is clear that Cadillac has reimagined the motorhome experience for the modern traveler. The exterior exudes sophistication with its aerodynamic lines, signature Cadillac grille, and striking LED lighting that not only enhances visibility but also adds a sense of prestige rarely seen in motorhomes. Step inside and you are greeted by an interior that rivals the finest hotels. High-quality materials including genuine leather seating, polished hardwood cabinetry, and state-of-the-art finishes create a space that is both inviting and supremely functional. One of the most impressive aspects of this motorhome is the intelligent space design. Every inch is meticulously planned to maximize comfort without compromising on luxury. The living area features modular seating that can be adjusted for lounging, dining, or entertaining guests, and it seamlessly flows into a full gourmet kitchen equipped with professional-grade appliances, induction cooktops, and an oversized refrigerator. Storage solutions are clever and plentiful, allowing travelers to carry everything from cookware to clothing without clutter. Technology integration is another area where the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome excels. A sophisticated touchscreen control panel allows occupants to manage lighting, climate, entertainment systems, and even security features with the touch of a button. Smart home technology is fully embedded, offering voice command and app connectivity so that the motorhome responds to commands even while on the move. For entertainment, a high-definition OLED television, surround sound system, and streaming capabilities transform the living space into a mobile theater, ensuring that long journeys are never dull. Comfort during travel is elevated by an advanced suspension system and precision-engineered chassis which minimize vibrations and road noise, creating a smooth, limousine-like ride. Seating is ergonomically designed, providing lumbar support and adjustability, so even long drives feel effortless. The sleeping quarters continue the theme of luxury. A spacious master suite includes a queen or king-sized bed with premium bedding, climate-controlled mattresses, and blackout shades for uninterrupted rest. Adjacent is a spa-like bathroom featuring a rainfall shower, dual sinks, and smart mirrors with integrated lighting and digital displays. For travelers who value privacy, the motorhome also offers modular partitions and soundproofing features that allow for quiet retreats or productive workspaces. Energy efficiency and sustainability have also been considered in this next-generation motorhome. Advanced solar panels, regenerative braking systems, and LED lighting reduce environmental impact while maintaining high performance. The engine itself balances power with efficiency, capable of long-distance travel without frequent refueling stops. Safety is paramount with cutting-edge driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and collision mitigation technologies. Cadillac has ensured that owners can enjoy the thrill of travel without sacrificing peace of mind. Beyond the mechanical and technological sophistication, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome emphasizes experiential luxury. Customizable interior layouts, ambient lighting scenes, and optional outdoor entertainment modules allow owners to tailor their mobile environment to personal taste. For outdoor enthusiasts, an integrated patio system and deployable awnings transform the surroundings into a luxury campsite, complete with built-in sound systems and weather-resistant furniture. Market analysts note that the Cadillac Motorhome is positioned not just as a vehicle, but as a lifestyle statement, catering to a clientele that seeks exclusivity, comfort, and convenience. Compared to traditional RVs, this model stands apart in both design philosophy and execution, blending automotive performance with residential luxury. In short, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is more than transportation. It is a mobile sanctuary designed to redefine the notion of travel. Whether embarking on cross-country adventures, attending high-profile events, or simply enjoying weekend getaways, this motorhome offers an unparalleled combination of style, technology, and comfort. For those who can afford it, the experience is transformative, turning every journey into an occasion worth savoring. And that's something worth remembering when you next dream of hitting the open road in